Hey guys, today we're going to make jambalaya keto style, and if you hear TV in the background, my son is currently sick with a fever and he's watching TV, but I still need to meal prep, especially if he's sick. So I'm meal prepping some jambalaya today. I will link the recipe down below in the box that I'm using, but here we go. The first thing we're going to do is dice one onion. I like to dice it into slivers. Now I'm going to mince 2 cloves of garlic. Now we're going to take this over to the stove and saute these veggies. So the recipe says to use coconut oil, but I am out, so I'm going to use some olive oil to saute the veggies until they're really tender. Now I'm entertaining the baby by giving her some celery and some green pepper. As it's just warmed up, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning to just saute it in. Now that it's cooked through, I'm going to add some chicken stock. Now I'm going to add diced tomatoes. You should probably use a smaller can. All I have is this gigantic can, so I'm going to use half of it. So this one has 28 ounces, so I'm going to use 14 ounces. And now I'm going to add another tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Also at this time, I'm going to add some frozen kale. This is probably 1/4 of a bag. And I'm also going to add my garlic. Well, I'm looking at this and I think I'm going to add a few more tomatoes, and I'm also going to simmer it until my kale is thawed. You don't want to play by yourself? All right, now that everything is pretty much cooked, I'm going to add the last 2 ingredients, which will be a bag of cauliflower rice and my meat. My meat is already cooked, so I just add it to heat it up. It's chicken sausage. The last step is to sprinkle them with dried parsley. So I've got 4 here for me and 2 here for my husband for his lunches, and looks great.